Hey guys, Friesian here. So we got this 2013 GMC Yukon XL Denali. So this applies for 2007 to 2013 Yukons, so and also the Suburbans, Tahoes. Okay, so we're gonna replace the lower fog lights. Very simple. Okay, here's the new one. We're gonna exchange it with the LED fog light that's in there. So the only thing that you need to do at the back is that you have this small little clips. Okay, all you gotta do is just get yourself a small plier. Okay, squeeze them, squeeze one and pop it out, squeeze one and push it out. Okay, same thing. So let me just show you how they're in there, and I'll show you the results. All right guys.